Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I want to show you the most essential React Native text input props. The first one is a return key type and the second one is a onSubmitEditing. So the return, can you see the keyboard of the React Native? So this is the return button. We have the return button. So if you want to change the name of that button, you can type the return key, just change it with the, you can change it with the done also. If you can see these are the suggestion we have done. Just click save it and just close and open again. You can see the done button. So if you want to change with the search, you can see search, just save it, close and open it. You can see you have a search button. And the second one, we have the on submitting edit. So if you want to perform some action on this button, so you can just come here on submit edit, just pass some alert on this button. So just come here and just type alert and just type search item. So now you can see the search item on this button. We just show the alert on this button. So hope, and also I want to show you how to open the keyboard. So you can open the keyboard from the output and just the keyboard and toggle software keyboard. So this is the shortcut for the keyboard is the command K. The keyboard will be automatically open. If you press the command K, the keyboard will be automatically open. If you press the command K, it will be minimize also. So hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.